Hey there, welcome to Natural Cures channel. Today, I'm going to explain how to use an amazing ingredient that you likely already have in your kitchen to clean and disinfect your washing machine. I'm talking, of course, about lemon. Lemon is a powerful natural cleaner and disinfectant due to its acidity. It will help eliminate limescale, detergent residue, and bad odors that accumulate in your washing machine over time. And the best part? It's a 100% eco-friendly and affordable solution. No more expensive chemical-laden cleaners that are bad for the environment. I'll explain step by step how to use lemon to revive your washing machine. Get ready, we'll look at this in detail. First, you of course need a lemon. Opt for organic lemons to avoid pesticides. Then, wash the lemon to remove any dirt. Next, cut it in half. Once your lemon is cut, open the door of your washing machine and place the 2 lemon halves directly inside the drum, rubbing them against the walls. You can gently scrub to release more juice. Close the door and do not put any clothes inside. The goal is to clean the drum, not wash clothes with lemon. Now, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to the detergent compartment. Baking soda is an excellent stain remover that will boost the cleaning power of the lemon. Next, pour some white vinegar into the softener compartment, about 2 tablespoons as well. White vinegar is a great limescale remover and will help dissolve deposits. You can now start a cycle at 90 degrees Celsius, the hottest possible, with no clothes inside. Time for a deep clean. The lemon will start releasing its acidity in the machine thanks to the hot water. Combined with baking soda and white vinegar, it will degrease, descale, disinfect, and eliminate odors. Your washing machine will get its clean attitude back. Once the cycle is complete, run a second rinse-only cycle to flush out all the lemon, baking soda, and vinegar. And voila, your machine is like new. I recommend repeating this lemon cleaning every month or so to keep your machine clean and odor-free. And there's more. Here are some extra lemony tips. To fight limescale, you can also pour half a liter of plain white vinegar into the drum and run a 90 degrees Celsius empty cycle every 2 months. The vinegar will dissolve accumulated limescale deposits. Another tip, leave the door of your washing machine open after each use to allow air circulation and prevent mold growth. Also remember to regularly clean the filters and hoses of your washing machine to prevent clogging. And don't forget to always empty pockets before washing clothes. Coins or other objects could damage your washing machine over time. Well, I hope my lemony tips were helpful and will allow you to keep your washing machine clean naturally for longer. Feel free to try this out and let me know in the comments if it worked well for you. I'm curious to get your feedback, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. Thanks for watching my channel. See you soon for more eco-friendly and money-saving tips.